If you want to trade here in Interactive Brokers outside the regular trading hours of 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m., this is what you need to do. It is super simple and it's going to depend on what type of account you have. If you have a pro account, you're looking to trade anywhere from 4 a.m. all the way up to market open at 9:30 in the morning and anywhere after hours from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. If you have a light account, that time in the pre-market is chopped and it goes from 7 a.m. till 9:30 a.m., the same time after hours extended to 8 p.m. So here we go. We see that the market is now closed. It is 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. We are 2 hours after market close here in my time zone. Shout out Toronto, baby. So let's say we want to buy some Netflix because we think they're going to go on a rip. We pull up the chart and just take a quick peek, see what's going on. We see that it had a nice green candle today, and we hope to pull back to like 340 after hours here before 8 p.m. If it does, we're going to hopefully get some action right there and put a trade in that 340 range right there. Let's go into the order section now to place our order outside and trade outside of regular trading hours. How do we do this? Netflix is our order right here at the top of our ticker. We want to make sure we're buying because we want to buy and ride the price appreciation upwards. We're going to do a quantity here. This is up to you, but I'm going to go 100 for this demo purpose right here. Limit order is going to be our choice right here. It's all you can actually trade when you're outside of regular trading hours. The limit price, we're going to go between the 340.15 and the 340.74, the bid ask right there. Let's go right in the middle and let's look at 340.44. I'll go 340.50 just to call it even, nice round number. And then you can either do day, which is going to be good, or this order is going to be good until the end of the trading day, so 8 p.m. tonight, or you can switch this up to good till canceled, and that will be indefinitely GTC. This trade will be, or this order will be in the hopper indefinitely until you go ahead and actually cancel it yourself or it gets filled. Now, what you want to do is go down here, and this is the money maker right here. We're going to go day, and we're going to go fill outside RTH. And what this means is that it's going to fill outside of regular trading hours. If we check this button, it's going to be a little bit of a warning sign right there saying, hey, look, you're trading outside of normal hours. Just be sure you know what you're doing there. If we want to go ahead and submit this order, we can do that. Click submit. It's going to show up in the hopper right there. And we can see that we have an order in there. It also showed up on our chart right here, right? The buy limit of 340.50. It's in the hopper. If it gets filled outside of regular trading hours, if the price of Netflix does drop to that 340.50, this will fill as a limit order. And we will see it activate in our trades account right here if it does get in there. I'm going to be thinking, Andrew, this is great. We have our order in there. We have it protected. You can actually move it around and move it up and down with the arrow in your chart here. If you want to just turn and drag it, you can move it anywhere you want to go. And it's going to update your arrow, your trade. You're going to be able to override and transmit this. If you want to, if you click close, it's going to do nothing. You're going to leave it the same as it was. You can just leave it down there. Or you can click this little update button here in the yellow. Let's slide it back down though, because we don't really buy in shares of stock for more than it actually is valued at. So let's go back down to 340 and change, 339.92. Let's do that. And we're in here. Okay. Can you set a stop loss to do this? Well, let's look at this. If we were to buy another 100 shares, and we have a limit order date, we want to go ahead and just click on fill again. If we want to put the profit taker on and the stop loss, you guys know where they hang out here, the bracket orders. You can do profit taker, right? You can do profit taker and that'll fill for you, but you cannot do a stop loss. Unfortunately, you cannot do a stop loss. It won't let you do that. It's not designed to let you do that. I don't know why, but it's not available to you. So what you can do is basically nothing. You're stuck here just saying, if I want to do this after hours, you better know and know for a kind of great certainty that you're going to be able to take this and be okay with it potentially moving down. So sometimes maybe not to do this would be on earnings reports or kind of big company news days, because there's a lot of volatility at those points. You don't know where the stock is going to go because you don't have the ability to put a stop loss on after hours. But the moral of the story, you pick a stock in here, and you can go ahead and you can trade it. You can trade it after hours, again, from 4 till 8, 7 till 8, depending on what kind of account you have. You put the orders in, you buy, you limit, you put that price in there, bang, bang. You go good till cancel or day, and you fill outside RTH, you submit, baby, and you're in the game. Once it gets filled, it goes into your account, and you are playing with after hours trading. You are a pro, and you are ready to hit the ground running. Thank you guys for checking in and watching. Is there a stock you'd like to trade after hours? If there is, let me know in the comments for this video. Subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next one.